Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Prepare for notable market activity as the economic calendar brings a series of impactful data releases. From major updates to moderate impact reports, each could contribute to shifts in trading sentiment. These updates could bring about market volatility, so staying prepared is wise. Being flexible with your strategy will help manage any sudden changes.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street ended sharply higher, led by big gains in Nvidia, Palantir, and other heavyweight AI-related companies following progress in Washington to end a record government shutdown. The shutdown is expected to end this week. Coinbase Global said it will launch a new platform that will allow individual investors buy digital tokens before they are listed on the cryptocurrency exchange, sending its shares up 4%. CoreWeave beat Wall Street estimates for Q3 revenue, benefiting from surging demand for its computing infrastructure that powers AI workloads. CoreWeave has cemented its position as a key partner for the biggest names in tech, landing a string of multi-billion-dollar deals.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.